Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you Bitcoin analysis. As beginning, we are going to look at what happened from the previous analysis. One was posted on March 28. From this moment when the price confirmed this bearish wedge pattern, we can see that Bitcoin developed in this way, reached the first target, faced a very strong support near to 81 and 600, increased, tested the top and moved back down here. On the other hand, I posted also another analysis yesterday. It was a very quick movement. The price was developing this pattern on the left side of the structure that we already had. It was very choppy movement with ups and downs, dips, downs here. And from the previous analysis, I was looking at for this type of development for the C wave down. And as you can see, it was really quick this time. From 83,000, it moved down to 74,000. It was a huge movement. We don't have any real reason for this crash in the crypto market, but as we can see, everything is related to the latest development that we have seen across stock market, Forex market that has been very volatile. We have seen unusual market activity that is not related only on the crypto market, but we saw unusual market activity on the stock market, on indexes, on Forex that is affected as well from all the liquidity that moves up and down. And finally, we saw also Bitcoin moving down. We have seen also this bigger picture before that I have explained, and we have to be careful. I have posted this several times when the price was taking shape, and here we have also the bigger picture when the price faced a double top pattern. It was showing as a beginning a possible head and shoulder pattern for movement down, but as you can see, finished as a double top on this area here, and the price moved down. From this analysis that we had, I also updated later, but the price already reached one of the targets. At this moment, we have to be very careful, given that the price is near to 74,600. If we are going to look back on the left side of the structure, we have a very strong support zone, thus rising the chances that we may see Bitcoin to recover again. So this is a very optimistic scenario in my opinion, if this is going to happen. The chances are that once the price will test 90,000, it can drop again to 74. However, considering the current market conditions and the panic that is across all markets, I don't think that it has chances for the moment. That is why for this scenario we have on the cards, but not with higher chances. It has lower chances to develop in this way. I'm looking at for a possible movement on a 4-hour time frame. As we had our analysis yesterday, I think that the chances are more that if Bitcoin is going to stop in this strong resistance zone, this is the area that we are looking at for a strong support, for a strong resistance, then this will raise the chances that probably Bitcoin is done in this zone and a bigger bearish movement may develop during these days. So this is what I'm looking at. I think that for a normal correction, the price should stop, probably can take a pause in this area before it moves down. We can observe on the 4-hour chart to clear structure zones here. These are the areas where the price reacted on the past. And if we are going to look at the bigger picture, how it is taking shape, so let's make it this way. It looks like we are in a bearish triangle pattern, so the chances are that we can be in a possible bearish wave from this zone. Once the price breaks on the opposite side, as I explained, if we will spend more time or if the price will face manipulation, it can rise up to the top 97 to 90 and we can see another movement. But taking into consideration everything that we have faced during the previous week, so this breakout here on this point, This is dating back at the end of February, so the price is only moving up and down from this area. I don't think the Bitcoin should rise more than this zone, even if it moves higher. However, I still like more this scenario here. I will make this with red, and I think that it has more chances for the moment. If this is going to happen, a bigger target for Bitcoin could be near 260. If you want to look at also for a smaller target or a quick target, also this target here makes sense because we have a very strong daily structure zone near 267 and 768. So it makes sense that we may have a target zone at 68 here. This is also a round number. So let's see what is going to happen. The price already broke down from a very strong structure zone, and if everything goes fine, Bitcoin should continue with the bearish movement as we are looking at here. So these are both scenarios related to Bitcoin. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.